First of all, thank you for coming and spending some of your day with me here. Second of all, hopefully everyone is being safe during COVID-19 right now, and hopefully all the people in California are staying in the shade, but still getting your stuff done. So, as we have today, we are going to be working on a 49cc, 4-speed semi-automatic, 4-stroke pit bike. Had it for a while already. From what I could see so far, I bought it, cleaned the jets, fired up. No problem. So, it does have a BMX front handlebar, which fitment is kind of all crappy. I really don't like it. So I'm gonna swap it out. I have a pit bike, 49cc pit bike handlebar, and somewhere in between all my stuff. I did find a nail in the back tire, which the back tire was already completely ruined. So I bought a rear tire, I bought a rear tube, and I bought a brand new plastic kit because the plastic kit on here is completely trashed. So what we are going to be doing is we're going to be tearing it apart like all of them, painting the frame, beautiful, my favorite color, metallic gold on the frame, and some regular metallic silver accents with some black in there, and we're going to be putting it back together. So put you guys up on the tripod, show you guys what we're going to be working with, and then let's start taking it apart. All right, guys, hang out.
Give me something new. I want it back, through and through. Just do it, I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good. Got power over me. You lock me up, don't wanna leave. The music, the little things. Without you, don't mean a thing. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. My cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you, I'm too good to you. I'm too good to you.
needs a lot of work. So we're gonna get to cleaning and washing it and putting it all back together. Actually, I'm sorry, cleaning it and washing it in order to put it back together, because it's still taken apart. I still have to wash the motor. I already washed the frame. I'm about to paint it, but I still have to wash the motor, wash the rims, change the tire, put the new tube, and a couple little miscellaneous stuff. So either way, guys, make sure you guys tune into part 2, and we'll be coming pretty soon, hopefully. Stick around, guys, and stay safe.